Welcome to Sovereign Citizen Legal Encounters. All right, the sovereign citizen that I've been following is back in Judge Johnson's court, and you know he likes to argue with her, so they kind of go back and forth. But this time you're going to get to see some video footage and check out what he actually did. Let's go.
So this is going to be case number 25S00791FY, People of the State of Michigan versus Timothy Dansby. Sir, what's your name? All right, Mr. Dansby, good afternoon. Mr. Shockley, place your appearance on.
Track on the captain table.
All right, today is the date scheduled for a preliminary examination. This is on one count of retail fraud, first degree. People prepared to proceed.
Yes, Alex.
All right, any preliminary matters?
Did you, pursuant to the court rule, confirm that the defendant still wishes to represent himself as this is a critical proceeding?
No, but do you still wish? Assume he did.
Yeah, it just has.
He's been-
voluntary.
He's just been asking all this time. Would you still want to represent yourself? You've been telling us all this time. Do you want to represent yourself?
I've been wanting to represent myself.
Okay, so you want to proceed today by yourself without a lawyer, right?
Not before I let it be known that I still never received my full discovery.
Well, what haven't you received, sir?
I haven't had a chance to go over the videotape because one of the witnesses in the videotape that I know that when I was speaking to him and was saying, letting him know that, look, man, put this stuff back on here because I'm choosing not to buy it here and I'm going someplace else. So it wasn't like I was trying to steal nothing when I told the guy this particular, I wanted to make sure that he's being available to be questioned.
I don't know who he's going to call. See, this isn't a trial. So this is just your probable cause hearing. So the prosecutor has a very low threshold burden of proof. He doesn't have to put on every witness, he said. He doesn't necessarily have to use the video. He might. And if you say the video means something else, that creates a question of fact that would go to trial for the trier fact to resolve. And of course, you get an opportunity to question about the video in depth at trial.
Also, I'd like to mention the fact that, you know what I'm saying, that it's been a delay because I don't know who these people have been coming up here. I've been telling the court that I've been wanting to represent myself.
Well, you've been representing yourself since the last time.
Well, I've done with them at the county jail. They said without the court allowing them to know that I was representing myself, it was certain information I couldn't get. They would not give me. Like the Michigan court rules of evidence. You know what I'm saying? For far.
I've never heard of the court having to tell the jail you're representing yourself. I've never heard of that.
The new technology, they used to have a law library you could go. But now you do everything over the computer.
Okay.
You got to leave a request. In order for them to fulfill your request, they have certain criteria that you got to show ahead of time.
Well, sir, I don't know anything about what the jail's criteria is.
And also, I'd ask, for a standby lawyer.
But they don't do that.
Well, from my understanding from previous experience,
What year was that?
From federal circuit court and from other court.
Federal Circuit Court.
No, I know it had to be a circuit court. They have done.
This is the state system.
There has been opportunity to have standby lawyer for instances where they could confer certain information that the prosecutor might not want to give to me because he might feel he's better than me or something. Because he feels that my counsel might.
Listen, Mr. Dansby. We can't
He
keep.
might allow me to receive.
No,
Stuff.
of course you got. That's not true. You have a right to represent yourself and you do have a right to get discovery. But what you can't do is come in here on the day of the hearing claiming that, oh, now you want to stand by counsel.
I said,
Okay, but I'm telling you,
I'm just saying, from my experience, it's always been, standby counsel been set.
I don't know what your experience is. I just know what Michigan and I don't know when you got.
Well, of information.
Okay, sir.
And
The Michigan Indigent Defense Rules, they have a whole new program that's been started a few years ago. So we used to do standby counsel and anything like that. We used to do that all the time when the court was appointing. Now they have a whole system. They don't pay for that. They say if the defendant wants a lawyer, fine, but there's no quote standby lawyer in their view, so they don't pay for that.
Well, she's correct. And there's a lot of courts that we watch in Michigan that has standby counsel for sovereign citizens.
I didn't make that rule. The person,
I couldn't verify it if I wanted to without,
the person that,
without the people in the jails who's running the law library information able to send me the information that I need, because without them having, and for their quote.
okay, what information
Their
do,
quote unquote.
sir, what information do you think you need just for a preliminary exam?
Your Honor, just,
No, I said for Michigan defense appointment.
So then you said it used to give standby counsel.
I said we did before that system was created.
Well, I want all the chance to update on the system, y'all.
Okay, but that has nothing to do with this.
Court rules the evidence.
Your Honor, I'm gonna, just so I can expedite this, and to satisfy the defendant, at the circuit court level, the circuit court has the budget and the ability and the staff to appoint a standby counsel once he gets up there. And once we finish this hearing, he may be up there and he can make that request then, and I'm sure the circuit court will have no problem immediately assigning him an attorney to advise him as he represents himself. As far as the people are concerned, the court has been complied with. He's freely and voluntarily relinquished his right to an attorney. May I call my first
So the
witness?
court, so, yeah, I like to also state that I still haven't received my discovery, and my date was postponed because of some guy who said he was my attorney. I did an extra 30 days, the extra 30 days.
Well, if you keep this up,
That's my attorney.
you
Why
gonna,
wasn't my,
you're gonna be here another 30 days. Do you want me to adjourn this case again?
No, I don't want to talk. I'm really actually having dismissed.
No,
For the simple fact that.
we're not doing that.
Or ask for a personal bond, because I've been, had my cases adjourned on other people's.
Sir, you the one that asked for new lawyers or no lawyer.
Ask for any new lawyer, because I never accepted the first. I have never signed for an appointment of an attorney from the very beginning, even at.
Okay, sir. Well, we're gonna proceed with your preliminary examination without a lawyer. So you should be happy today that you don't have one. And then when you get to the circuit court, ask them to give you a lawyer. He just said they have a budget for that.
Ask them to give me my discovery.
What discovery don't you have?
See, tape.
What tape?
Your Honor, I'm gonna play the tape for him, today anyways. There's no right to it. There's not even a right to discovery before a preliminary exam, technically underneath the court rule. I mean, we deal with this all the time. So this is just an intermediate proceeding. It's not gonna affect anything. As you know, attorneys don't even ask questions a lot of the times during preliminary exams because it creates a question effect.
But they certainly don't call. They might ask questions, but they don't call witnesses.
But they don't, not in all situations. With all the preliminary exams, but there's.
Okay. Have a seat, sir, unless you want to stand up for the whole hearing. Call your first witness.
People go to the same reference, and Your Honor, I do accept the use of polygons.
Okay, let's see if we can get that working again. Where Jessica is. There she is. Jessica. Now, Mr. Shockley, go ahead and, are you on?
I'm on.
Okay, so I'm gonna go to right laptop. Jessica, can I have the remote? Let's see what we're doing. Okay, Mr. Shockley, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. Raise your right hand. Do solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Have a seat. And Mr. Shockley, whenever you're ready.
Yeah. Sir, when you are ready, will you please state and spell your name for the record?
Yes, it's Robert Sammons. R would be ERT, last is SAMMONS.
Who is your employer?
Meyer,
What is your job title with Meyer?
Asset Protection Team Lead.
Asset Protection Team Lead?
Yes, sir.
And how long have you been employed in that capacity by Meyer?
Since January of 2025.
Did you receive any specialized training to have that title or that role?
Yes.
And what do you do? What kind of training?
So it's a multitude. So over years, Wicklander certified, and then different courses in asset protection and policy related, that kind of stuff.
Are those courses designed to help you detect retail frauds or patterns of retail frauds?
Yes.
Were you employed in that capacity on July 26, 2025, around 5:30 p.m.?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so do you work at a specific Meyer store or multiple stores?
I'm assigned to the one in Southwood.
Is that located at 28800 Telegraph Road,
Yes.
City of Southfield,
Yes.
County of Oakland?
Yes.
On that date, around that time, did you identify a, retail theft in progress?
Yes.
And how did you identify that?
In this particular case, it was just, rapid selections of, this, similar merchandise.
What do you mean rapid selections?
So one of the indicators of theft is, grabbing merchandise without looking at price or without appearing to look at price, size, that kind of thing.
And how did you see this occurring?
On the floor.
Were you physically on the floor or were you watching cameras?
Sorry, I was physically on the floor.
Did you follow this individual,
I did.
as he was selecting items?
Correct.
Do you see that individual you were following presently in the courtroom?
I do.
Will you please point and identify an article of clothing he is wearing?
It's the, over to my left, and he's wearing like a blue, shirt with a white t-shirt.
Your Honor, may the record reflect the proper identification of the defendant.
Yes, so ordered.
Upon following this individual, did at one point he come to the point of sale?
He did.
Was that before, at any point did he try to walk out before coming to this point of sale?
No,
Did he have a cart or was he concealing these items on his person?
it was a carton.
Was that cart full?
Yes.
Upon him going to the point of sale, what did you, just so we put, you were at the point of sale when he got there.
I was, yes.
And what did you see him do at that point?
He went up to a, cashier, and myself and asked where the bathroom was.
Was that before or after the cash register?
That was, it's kind of at the same time. It's like at a, it's like a giant area where there's like self-checkouts.
Are these self-checkouts?
Yes.
Is there like a long looping line to the self-checkout?
Correct.
Did he still have the cart with him?
He did. So he left the cart, actually by me, and then he went to the restroom.
And what did he do? Did he come out of the restroom?
He did.
And what did he do upon coming out of the restroom?
He grabbed the cart and proceeded towards the opposite side of the store, which would be the grocery side.
And what did he do upon getting to the grocery side?
He pushed the cart out, exiting the store without offering payment.
When you say he pushed the cart out, is there a double door vestibule to Meyer?
Yes.
Did he
A
enter
what?
a double door vestibule?
Huh?
Vegetable.
That's the whole.
Oh,
not
vestibule.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, so it's the, it's basically what it is. It's an opening with EAS towers, and then he pushed past those EAS towers.
What is the EAS tower?
Electronic article surveillance that detects the tags, that the merchandise protection tags on merchandise, the thing that beeps when you pass it.
Did they beep?
None of these had tags, so no.
Okay. Did you stop him at that point?
Yeah.
Did he say anything to you upon stopping him?
He said, I can't recall exactly what he said.
He didn't write a report?
But he did say something?
He did.
Okay. And what did he do upon you confronting him?
He walked past me and then went out the doors going to on the grocery side into the parking lot.
Did he abandon his cart or did he try to take his cart with him?
He abandoned it.
Did you retrieve this cart?
I did.
Were you able to scan the items that were contained within the cart?
Yes.
Upon scanning these items, was a receipt produced?
It was.
Yeah, then may I approach the witness?
Yes.
People pose exhibit 1. So I take a second look at what I just handed you. What is that?
It's a receipt from there.
And did it fairly accurately pick the items you scanned from the cart?
Yes.
Has that receipt been edited in any way to your knowledge?
No.
People are going to admit people's exhibit 1.
Show it to the, him. Okay, sir, that is People's Proposed Exhibit 1. Hello? Well, he's offering it. Is there an objection? Okay, no objection heard, admitted.
Commissioner, approach and publish.
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, does Meyer take cameras?
We did.
And were those cameras working operational on that day?
They were.
And did upon him leaving the store, did you contact law enforcement? Did law enforcement come to your location?
They called him, like in the, they went towards 12 Mile, made a right. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's east or west, but made a right. And they caught it right there. And then they came.
Okay, so to answer my question, law enforcement did come to your location?
Yes.
Upon them coming to your location, did you show them video for the incident?
Yes.
previously to you taking the stand, did I show you what's on the splash drive?
Yes,
Is what's on the splash drive, the videos from my road that day?
yes.
People were moved to Mesh People's Proposed Exhibit 2.
Sir, any objection?
People's Proposed Exhibit 2 is the camera footage from mine, correct?
Yes.
And that's the same footage we turned over to the police? Yes. People were moved to Mesh People's.
I object to the fact, John, that I haven't had a chance to go over, take previous to the examination. You know what I'm saying? I like to state for the record that being able to go over there would be part of my discovery. And since the prosecutor said, I guess upon his word, I guess he's making precedence with that. You don't have to give.
But why don't we do this, sir? Let's play the video without admitting it so you can watch it. Then if you have an objection, you can lodge your objection at that time.
Step out.
Who is he?
But-
Why should he step out? He's already seen it.
But he ain't seen it when I'm looking at it. He might be making them different.
No, we're not. He doesn't have to step out. We're going to show you the video. Go ahead, sir. There's your video.
I'm straight.
You said you haven't.
Video. I was there.
Eh?
Well, you said you wanted to see the video.
I was present, John, when.
Sir, either one way or the other. Are you objecting to the video? Yes or no?
I don't know if it's the whole video or not.
Okay. So
Run the video.
go ahead and play it.
Sir, if you would turn around and look at the screen, is this, one of the videos you provided to? You can stand.
Yeah, sorry. Issues.
Yeah.
So you showing the video for him or for me?
We're showing it to you, but he's
Yeah,
gonna
you tell him to turn around.
well, he's gonna identify what it is.
I mean,
Then-
if it's my time for me to watch the video, then I watch the video. When it's his time to ask him a question, then he can watch the video.
Let's have him identify what it is he's showing. Let's at least do that. Okay, let's do that. Go ahead, Ms. Shapley.
Sir, is this a video you turned over to Southfield Police?
Yes,
Is that actually you in the video?
yeah, that's, being go on right now.
Okay.
All right, no more questions. Just let him watch it.
Wait, this is at the, this is gross exit view. This is at the 17-hour, 53-minute mark. So was that you walking out with the,
No questions. Just let him watch it first.
well, that's under that portion. That's him leaving the store. He left the store.
I can see what it is. Just let him watch it. Then we'll come back and you can ask questions once he objects or I admit it or whatever, because I'm not admitting it yet.
This is such an inconvenience.
Can we play the next video then? This video is later labeled GM SCO overview.
Okay.
To the 17-hour, 47-minute mark.
Now, to give you a heads up, it's going to be quiet for a couple of minutes while they observe the video. Hopefully, you can zero in and see what they're looking at because this camera angle is going to be kind of weird.
I can't see, John.
Okay. Well, why don't you walk up there closer?
I'm stopping the video at 17 hour, 49 minute, 12 seconds.
Okay, is that it?
Yes.
All right, sir. Head back to your seat. So that's the video that he seeks to admit. Do you have an objection?
Yeah.
What is that?
Complete video of the incident that happened. Because at this junction right there, I was going to the bathroom and I did not go past.
Okay, but sir, that's an argument. You can make an argument later. The question is this the video that purportedly was taken by Meyer cameras and turned in by this witness to the prosecutor's office? He said that's what it is. Now you can question the validity of it, the length of it, how long it was, but doesn't affect the admissibility of it. So, okay, so it's submitted. So you want to ask him some questions now, Mr. Shacklin?
Yes, Donna.
Go ahead.
This is of it too, just for the record. Sir,
So you want to stand up and look again?
Oh, no.
He's gonna take you,
Oh, you want me to?
I'm gonna go back.
he's gonna go back to that first video.
Yeah. And just so we're clear, sir, the time and date, on that video is correct, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna play now, grocery exit view at the 17 hour, 52 minute mark.
I got look. I'm gonna ask him to play that back.
So is that you confronting the defendant
Yes, sir.
when he was walking onto the exit? Is that after he abandoned his cart?
Like this part right here, you're talking?
Yeah.
Where's the cart
Do you see the lady?
with the pink hat?
No, ma'am, the, one with like the dark pants and the black shirt right there.
Meyer outfit?
Yes, ma'am. The cart is right there just in front of her.
I'll run it back.
That's the part I'm trying to see. You don't mind.
Yeah, go ahead. Mr. Shy. Oh,
At that point, is when he walked up with the cart, right?
Yes.
And one of your associates takes it away from him?
Correct.
Okay, and then you confront him.
Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, you said somebody took the cart away from, where is that at? You should have shown me that. You think,
okay.
I'm asking you to show me.
Sir,
Yeah.
no, you don't ask the prosecutor questions. You have to ask the witness questions.
I don't have access to go over the ground and take myself, yeah, because I haven't been allowed my copy of the tape or electronic.
Well, it's not your time to ask the questions yet. You'll get a chance in a
I
minute.
don't have a copy of the tape to go over.
Sir, you don't need it. You watched it.
Well, I'm watching it, I'm trying to verify what's going on.
Okay, but you're not doing it right. You have to wait till he asks the witness questions,
Okay.
and then you'll get a chance to ask the witness questions too.
Sir,
I know that.
you see the person in the middle of that video that looks like he's got a white stripe at the bottom of his leg?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that the person you identified as the defendant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that card he appears to be holding it in his hand. Is that the card you took the items out and then scanned to create that receipt, which was People's Exhibit 1?
Yes, sir.
You are good.
Where's the copy?
It's right there at the entrance by that lady in the blue shirt and pants. She's holding it.
How did you get there?
You were,
I take it.
sir, if you watch the video, it shows you, he identified you pushing the cart, and when he got to that part, they stopped you
Okay.
and took the cart.
Now they took the car, but there was an individual, it was a young black male.
Okay, sir.
It was, hold on, y'all.
But just, you're not testifying.
It was a young, I'm not testifying.
Yes, you are. You're trying to tell us your story and this
I'm
is
trying to
not,
tell you that the tape, this is not the full tape.
okay, this is not the time.
This is not the full tape.
Okay, sir.
I thought this was about to turn into a domestic case.
This is not the full tape. How can you show half of the tape and then the signal instead of showing the whole tape? From the time that I left the black parts with the where I was paying for the tape and walked in there, it's the whole step was missing. So where is the step that's missing the problem?
You'll get a chance to ask him those questions.
Well, how am I gonna show him if I can't show my?
You'll get a chance to ask the witness that question.
I want to be able to see on.
He's the one who says he made the tape and turned it in. He's the one who would know if there's a section missing or how he copied it.
I should wait for my course for that.
Yes.
Come on back. Wait, I've been so much.
Mr. Shockley, are you done with this particular tape?
Yeah.
Could you do me a favor? Roll it back to the very beginning of this, where there's people coming out of that door on the left. I'm gonna tell you what to stop something. I just want to see something.
Want to keep going?
Yeah, well, yeah, keep going. It's the okay. Okay, play it. Mhm.
Can he stop and take there, Mr. Prosecutor? Can you stop right there? Mr. Shock.
Yeah.
When the defendant was pushing that, speaking
No.
first.
Sir, no.
No, okay, all right.
That's your turn.
No, okay. All right, well, you have the word, okay,
You gotta play it again when it's your turn.
okay.
Hey.
A man with all shoes. That part the defendant leaves the store, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, are you gonna have to play that overhead camera view?
If you would like me to.
I don't know what that was. So if you need it, you can play it. It's part of it.
That's what they do. That was 17 hour, 47 minutes. Sir, I'm pausing the video for a second. Do you see yourself in the bottom left corner of that video? Too small?
First of all, what area of the store is this video depicting?
Your Honor, this is in the GM side, so this would be the north side of the store.
Okay. So service desk to the left,
Yes, ma'am. So if,
and that's where's the are the doors depicted in this? No.
can I go closer to the TV?
Yeah.
If I use it. So when you went to the bathroom, it was right this way.
Okay.
Okay. And when I went towards the door, is he takes the cart here and then goes this way down that long aisle. And then it goes into the grocery, which you saw right here.
Okay. So that's what this is depicting. And so that's like the open area where you come in. That's no cash registers right there.
Oh, man, I'm sorry.
Is that them right there? Walking right up there?
So this is your entrance right here.
Stop, right up there at the top. Is that him?
You'll see him, sorry.
Right there. Is that him?
Gentlemen, I've asked any questions yet?
Yeah.
Not yet.
You gotta wait till it's time to cross exam. This is direct exam.
Okay, oh.
Why did you decide to just stand there and wait?
Because he's in the bathroom and that was his cart right there.
You just watched this card?
Yeah, so at that point, it's all I care about with the cart.
And you speed it up?
Yeah.
It's a good couple minutes.
Where's the time in it?
It doesn't show on the full screen, dude. But the defendant right there going to get his card?
Yes, sir.
About time. We've been watching that video so long, I feel like I'm doing surveillance on the store.
Do we see the time?
Mr. Shaka, can you show him the timer?
The time.
This is that point, the time when the play frame is 17 hours, 52 minutes. The the grocery exit view, when I started playing that video, which is the last video we saw, was starting at 17 hours, 53 minutes. Is it fair to say that he then took his car to that grocery exit?
Yes,
Okay, and that's what you stopped him?
correct.
I don't know. What was the, you remember what the value was? I never seen.
Exhibit number 1
Yeah,
says $39.99. Oh, I'm sorry, 207.12.
I was gonna say, I believe it's just over 200.
Yeah, that was one item I was looking at. 207.12.
you can sit down, yes.
Okay, are you finished?
I'm done.
Okay, sir, cross-examination now.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to help me.
I do.
He can play it.
Okay, now,
What do you want him to play?
if this document right here, this is chocolate,
Yes.
salmon,
Yes.
this is salmon. So this point right here, when you finish lesson, the self-pay machines, or walking towards the cash register where it would be taken in, and you went that way, at which point did you start walking behind? Can you run the tape? At which point was you walking behind the defendant? Letting him know that you'd already called the police.
I don't understand. I'm sorry, sir. I really don't understand your question.
Okay, at one point when you put that on there, yeah, and you came behind and said, I'm gonna come to my office, I already called the police.
Yes, sir.
Okay, was that before or after he got close to a rescue?
That was after the exit.
That was after the exit of here,
No, sir. It was the
after
other.
the exit of the store?
Yes, sir. After the exit.
So when he was walking this way, can you show the tape, can you show the tape, Mr. Prosecutor, but pushing the car?
You want to see this video perfectly on?
I want to see the video, the park. If it's all on one camera, can you zoom me into the park where the defendant is pushing the car? Going towards the other exit.
This is the video you want to see, sir, correct?
Yeah, he wants to see where he's pushing the cart going towards the other side of the store towards the groceries. If you can zoom in on it. I don't know if you can.
You could see it better on the roof.
Now show us, witness, where he is in this view right here.
I go
Yeah, going up there.
right there.
That's the cart and that's him. Okay. So what was he doing at the scanner machine there? Did he scan anything?
Yes, ma'am. He scanned one item and then put that same item back in his cart, never offered payment.
Okay.
I
All
got
right.
a question for you, Mr. Skinner. Did you check that scanner after he left?
I did.
And what did he say?
One item up there.
And what was the price of that item?
Don't recall.
Because it didn't work.
And so point to him there in that shot. See way down there
Yes, ma'am. He's swinging it down.
where the pointer is.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this where you approaching?
No, sir.
And who was the other individual, the black young male that was over?
You'd have to show me which one. There was a couple over there.
Can you keep, no, very, keep the time going. So at that point, when you spoke to the defendant, or spoke to the, was there anybody up there with that conversation?
I mean, I'm sure those,
No, was there another employee there? Conversation,
like when you and I were talking,
when you approached. Cause now you saying he head out the door.
yes, sir. So there's 3 employees there total. So myself, another employee, and then, another employee. And then when you and I were talking, it's just.
Hold on. Where is the young male? It was a black guy right there.
There's a,
Right there now. You say you come right here, right?
yes, sir.
Can you show, you go back to the top, okay. Right here. Can you go back to this part up here? Not down, not the top, this part right here. Because it appears to be stop moving. Here, right there. Yeah. Now, can you run that, showing that part right there? Stop, stop this. What is this right here?
That's the time.
What's this right here?
Time.
So why is it not in city? Why is this moving faster than that?
It's the, you see so that's the 40. Those 3 that goes to do those signals.
I understand this is going to be really tricky. I'm talking about this time here and this time here. Why is, what, 17 minus 12 was 5? 17 minus 12?
Yeah, it's
I know, no, 13 minus 12 is time. It's the time. Okay, can you go back? This is probably about 3 minutes. But what I'm trying to figure out here, is how
Mr. Attorney, you talked to the witness?
to the witness, yeah. I'm wanting to
The
figure out.
witness is Mr. Salmons.
I'm sure you're gonna have some comments about this.
Why I keep saying shot?
That's a prosecutor.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I appreciate
no,
the
I
compliment. I
can't-
mean, I'll take it.
At what junction did you say would you like to come to the office with me?
It would be, is it okay to go up? Yeah.
You can always step up and point.
It would be right here, sir. Like, right, see those towers, just past those towers right there.
And you finna go past those towers?
Yes,
And did they beat?
no, sir.
Why not?
Those towers are what they're called is electronic article surveillance. What they detect is merchandise protection that's on products. Not all products have that merchandise protection. So it'll only go off if one of those products that has merchandise protection.
Okay, so what, so hold on, wait a minute. Stop, can you go back one more time, Mr. Prosecutor, about another minute? Cause what happened to the, okay, go back. Okay, so hold on, now, go forward. 'Cause I'm trying to see which tape is, which with this which. Okay, it's her stuff. He's going in it with her stuff? He's coming out with his, right?
Yes, sir.
So this stuff never went past here.
It did. We went right to the towers.
So what happened to, where is this Carter?
That would be the part that the defendant was pushing, sir.
So it never went past here.
It did. You have to see it. You'd be able to see it, sir.
Okay. Want to see what's in there? Okay, but you say stop. You stop right there. Is that what I'm probably? We got on fade. Okay, right, okay. This is the individual I need to see, right? Who is this individual right here?
That's another employee of,
Yeah, what's his name?
I don't know the last name, it's for this kid.
Is he part of your team?
My team, no, an employee of mine.
Not an employee of yours?
So, he doesn't work under me, no, he's just an employee of mine. But he's not on, like, my specific team.
So was you close enough with the conversation was held between him and the defendant?
Your Honor, if the defendant's done with the video, I would ask him to go back to his table.
Are you done, sir?
No, I'm only done with the video because I'm trying to figure out, Mr.
Sams.
How did you keep the defendant in the front?
Yeah, that's, so I was following the defendant along the back aisle, where I could keep it, where I could watch while I'm walking.
Okay. So at which point did you, when you was walking behind him, when you was walking behind him, was you out the store?
I was never behind, I was always to the side.
No question, just for, now, I do like to ask you a question. Are you saying that you know the defendant picking up items without checking the price?
Appeared.
It appears to be.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you profile the individual who was coming in.
No, so we don't profile, what we look for is behaviors, so,
Okay, profile behavior, basically kind of like it's the same thing.
uh,
And also, when you went to the scanning machine, you said did you go back and check the thing on the scanning machine, see the scanning?
I didn't need to, I was at the, where I was, I could view every scanner and I could see as it goes.
So you're seeing the one thing get scanned,
Correct.
and you're seeing the machine activated. Or do you know if it actually scanned?
I don't know what you mean by activate, I apologize.
When you go to the self-care machine and you try to scan it,
Yes.
it's ready.
Yeah, it'll beep and then something.
Right, did you hear it beep?
There's like stuff
No
right
further
there.
questions, because it wasn't working. All right, no further questions.
Mr. Shockley, anything else?
No,
Sir, thank you so much. You may step down. Any other witnesses for the people?
people rest.
Thank you. All right, sir. Do you have any witnesses? Typically, the defense does not call witnesses at a preliminary exam. But do you have any witnesses?
Like I said,
Do you have any witnesses?
I haven't had a chance with the witness that I would have liked to have.
Okay, but you don't,
I wouldn't get a chance because I never got a chance.
sir, you still got a chance at trial to call a witness. This is not a trial. All you're gonna do is create a question of fact.
I can tell you this, Your Honor.
Okay, wait, we're not at the argument.
This take,
Stop.
Eh?
this take.
Mr. Shockley is gonna make his motion. Go ahead, Ms. Shockley.
Moved by the defendant over as charged. As you know, this is retail fraud in the third degree. It's enhanced from a second to a first. Dollar amount's over $200. The video really shows in the testimony. Mr. Salmon shows that he attempted to leave the store without making any ability or offer to pay for those items. Accordingly, we're going to say bound over as charged. Thank you.
Yeah, what do you want to say by way of argument now, sir?
I'd like to say, Your Honor, that it's been such a long time, I never had a chance to get the tape. You know what I'm saying? And I also like to state.
You went over that tape ad nauseum today, sir.
Like, that tape, the prosecutor didn't have to take so long, but that's not exact, that tape doesn't exactly show what happened. But that individual was walking behind me. I don't know how he did that to take, that's why I was looking for the time. And also, I like, again, just for the matter of the question that impropriety on the way the examination was ran for the simple fact that the days and the time that it took, even though the prosecutors did show his willingness to show the tape, did not give me a chance to go over the tape. Postponing this, I haven't had a chance to even call, and I still to this joint don't know the witness name of the individual that we.
Sir, you got plenty of time to find the witness and call them for trial. This is not a trial.
I think she said that enough, and I see he's not paying her any attention.
I'm gonna do it, Your Honor, if I can't get the paperwork.
What paperwork?
I can't get the discovery motion for discovery.
You got a folder full of paperwork.
Come on, Judge, you know that's his sovereign citizen script, along with all the instructions that he's not following. That's why he can't keep track of everything you're saying to him right now.
A police report, right?
I'm talking about, Your Honor, the paperwork in order to get the discovery, to get.
I don't know what paperwork you're talking about.
Rest of the discovery, the motion to be able to write the motion for the discovery.
No.
The Michigan court rules to determine that the Michigan, or you don't know, the Michigan court rules to determine that the prosecutor must.
No, you know what? I have no idea even what you're talking about at this point. You got the police report, which gives you all the information.
And for the last.
I'm not quit talking.
I like to put on record.
I'm just gonna stop talking. You can take over this whole courtroom. Go ahead. And you got about 3 minutes to do it.
He get full reign to ramble for 3 minutes?
All right, for the last statement, I like what state for the courtroom, still that the court never actually showed its authority to trial the individual, because I don't know if this prosecutor, the court, even have license to practice law.
Okay, no, we're not going down that road.
Hold on, Judge. What happened to the 3 minutes?
Excuse me. Listen.
No,
Let me tell you something. If you don't stop when I tell you to stop, I'm gonna take you out of here. We're not getting into whether somebody has a license to practice law. You are to contain.
It's a legitimate argument.
Listen. You're to contain your argument to the facts
And it is a fact. The fact
on this case.
from
This on the record.
the Bar Association, it said that it is not a licensed agent. So if you got a bar practitioner without a license, which the Constitution of the United States and the state.
Sir, I'm not gonna listen to that.
No state, no city, no township, municipality can make a law contrary to the.
Nope.
The highest law of the land. Now, for that to be placed on the record.
It's placed on it. Now, you're done.
He went full soft sit.
The defendant is charged with a retail fraud. All the elements were met in this matter for retail fraud first degree. The testimony clearly established that the defendant took property of the store that was offered for sale. It showed by way of testimony that he took property off the shelf in a random manner. The testimony was all the same things without looking really at the prices or the tags, it seemed like. That he moved the property, he put it in a basket and walked all around the store from one side to the other. Third, he intended to steal. That's a question of fact as to whether or not he intended to permanently deprive the store without the store's consent. However, it was clear from the video shown that he walked from one entrance to the other entrance without paying for anything and was attempting to push his cart through the entrance when he was stopped by loss prevention from doing so. That's the question of fact as to why he was doing it with the intent to permanently deprive or not. And this really happened inside the store while it was open to the public and without the consent of Meyer. The items were tallied up by loss prevention and came to $207.12. So clearly, that's enough to satisfy the court that the retail fraud did occur. And of course, there was an allegation that he apparently had a prior conviction, April 17, 1989. For retail fraud first degree in the Sixth Circuit Court. So that's a sentencing issue, and that's enough to bind it over on the first degree and continue to bond. Mr. Shockley, here is your exhibit back. His bond is continued. Make sure you get a license to practice law, please.
And don't present doctored video. Video's been doctored and altered. Oh my God.
I know looking at them cameras for a while may have gotten a little bit boring, but everything got bought the way you want it at the end. So now we're going to see what happens to him whenever he have his next hearing, but him and Judge Johnson definitely doesn't get along. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you around on the next one.
Welcome, misunderstood citizens, to the Lords of Legal Fiction, where the law is whatever we scribble on a napkin at 3 a.m. after 6 Red Bulls. Are you tired of government tyranny like stop signs, taxes, and reality? Do you believe the secret to freedom is screaming, "I do not consent," at a confused police officer? Then boy, do we have the legally binding imaginary loopholes for you. We'd like to thank our sponsor, Hutch, at Sovereign Citizen Encounters.
I'm Hutch, and I approve this message.
After graduating our masterclass, cops will be on their knees begging for your forgiveness. You learn how to deliver your rightful message with conviction and power. Never calmly say,
"I'm not driving, I'm traveling."
"No, no, no." Scream it like you mean it. Enroll in our Lords of Legal Fiction masterclass to learn how to turn every traffic stop into a constitutional crisis and every courtroom into your personal improv show. Why pay a lawyer when you can just cite maritime law and accuse the judge of being a hologram? On sale now is our Sucker Bundle. You get 1 US DOT license plate, 1 attractive and sturdy license plate holder, 1 legal only to you passport, and these impressive sheets of constitutional law that you can give to your rights-busting cop. Act now, and you can be impervious to the law and courts. You can even tear the tags off mattresses without the threat of punishment. Seriously, don't let this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity slip away. Offer not valid in 48 states. Some assembly required. Number FDIC. Batteries not included. May cause nausea and headaches. Sylvanry is addictive. If you need help, call Jail Me Now at 1-800-555-1212.